Hey friends, it's Bianca and I'm making one of my favorite dishes in the world, oxtail. This is how I clean my meat. You clean your meat however you want. But I'm also going to trim off some of the extra fat on there. Granted, I do like it fatty, but it was just too much, so I had to take some of it off. So one thing with oxtail is that it is a very heavy meal, and I don't eat this all the time. I probably eat it maybe once a month or 2 times a month, or whenever the spirit tells me that I need some oxtail in my life. The browning sauce gives it that beautiful color, so I highly recommend you get some if you're going to make this. I use whatever seasonings I had on hand. I did not have butter beans or scotch bonnet pepper, but I did use a Thai chili. I just didn't break the Thai chili because Thai chili is super spicy, and I did not want my oxtail just to be super spicy with no flavor. So what you'll see me do later on is I put the Thai chili in the pan and let it burn off a little bit. Make sure you massage your meat very well. This is where the gloves come in handy because sis, who's about to mess up their manicure for some oxtail? Not me. Anyways, I like using avocado oil because it has a high smoke point, and I'm just searing the oxtail. And then what you didn't see is after I did this, about an hour on the stove, I transferred it to a crock pot because I had a few things in my house that I had to do, and I couldn't babysit a pot on the stove. But it came out so delicious. Look at that beautiful color. And it was so tender, guys. I like to eat this with rice. You can eat it with cabbage, whatever your heart's desire. Don't forget to like and follow for more. What should I make next, y'all? Bye.